Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video we learned about the motherboard. Today we are going to learn about something that you use every single day without even thinking about it. The operating system. What is an operating system? What is Windows? What is Mac? What is Linux? Let's learn everything in a very simple and easy way. What is an operating system? An operating system is the most important software on your computer. It is the main program that starts when you turn on your computer and manages everything: your hardware, your software, and your files. Without an operating system, your computer is just a box of metal and plastic with nothing to do. Simple example. Think of your computer like a school. The operating system is the principal of that school. The principal manages all the teachers, students, and classrooms. Without the principal, the school cannot run properly. Similarly, without the operating system, the computer cannot run properly. What does an operating system do? The operating system does many important jobs at the same time. It starts the computer when you press the power button. It manages the CPU and RAM so all your programs run smoothly. It manages your files and folders so you can save and find your data easily. It allows you to install and run software and apps. It connects and manages all your hardware devices like keyboard, mouse, and a printer. It also keeps your computer secure from viruses and unauthorized access. Simple example. When you open 3 apps at the same time, like Chrome, MS Word, and YouTube, the operating system is the one managing how much CPU and RAM each app gets, so everything runs smoothly at the same time. Most popular operating systems. Windows. Windows is made by Microsoft and it is the most popular operating system in the world. About 70% of all computers in the world use Windows. It is used in homes, schools, offices, and businesses everywhere. Windows is very easy to use, and most software and games are made for Windows. The latest version of Windows is Windows 11, which was released in 2021. Before that, Windows 10 was released in 2015, and is still used by millions of people today. Simple example. Windows is like the most popular restaurant in the city. Almost everyone goes there because the menu is familiar, easy to understand, and has something for everyone. Mac OS. Mac OS is made by Apple, and it only runs on Apple computers called MacBooks and iMacs. Mac OS is known for being very smooth, fast, and secure. It is very popular among graphic designers, video editors, musicians, and creative professionals. Mac OS looks very clean and beautiful. The latest version is called Mac OS Sonoma, released in 2023. Mac OS and Windows look different and work slightly differently, but both do the same basic job of running your computer. Simple example. Mac OS is like a premium luxury car. It looks beautiful, runs very smoothly, and is very reliable. But it only works on Apple hardware. Just like a luxury car key only starts that specific car. Linux. Linux is a free and open source operating system. This means anyone can download it for free and even change its code. Linux is mostly used by programmers, developers, and technical experts. Most of the servers that run the internet, websites, and apps use Linux. Linux is very fast, very secure, and very stable. It is not as easy to use as Windows or Mac OS for beginners, but it is extremely powerful. Popular versions of Linux include Ubuntu, Fedora, and Kali Linux. Simple example. Linux is like building your own custom motorcycle from scratch. It requires knowledge and skills, but the result is extremely powerful, and you can customize everything exactly the way you want. Android. Android is also an operating system, but for smartphones and tablets. It is made by Google, and is the most popular mobile operating system in the world. Most smartphones in the world, including Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi, and many others, use Android. Simple example. Android is basically Linux, but made simple and beautiful for touchscreen smartphones. When you use a Samsung or any Android phone, you are using an operating system made by Google. iOS. iOS is Apple's mobile operating system used in iPhones and iPads. It is known for being very smooth, secure, and easy to use. iOS only works on Apple devices, just like macOS only works on Apple computers. Simple example, iOS is to iPhone what Windows is to a laptop. It is the software that makes the hardware work and gives you everything you see on the screen. Windows versus macOS versus Linux. Comparison. Windows is the best choice for most people, students, gamers, and office workers. It supports the most software and games, and is very easy to use. macOS is the best choice for creative professionals, like designers and video editors. It is smooth and secure, but expensive because you have to buy Apple hardware. Linux is the best choice for programmers and developers. It is free, fast, and very secure, but requires technical knowledge to use comfortably. How to check your Windows version. Press the Windows key and type WinVer, then press Enter. A small window will open showing you exactly which version of Windows you have installed on your computer. Try it right now on your computer. Interesting facts. Windows was first released by Microsoft in 1985. The first version was called Windows 1.0. macOS was first released by Apple in 1984, even before Windows. Linux was created by a Finnish student named Linus Torvalds in 1991. He was just 21 years old when he created it. Android was created in 2003 and bought by Google in 2005. Today, Android runs on more than 3 billion devices around the world. In the end, so now you know what an operating system is, and the difference between Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Remember, the operating system is the most important software on your computer. Without it, nothing works. In our next video, we will learn about how to install Windows on a computer step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.